At least 30 Lakbay Alalay centers have been in place in several areas within Region 4A. Every Lakbay Alalay centers consists of a mechanic, a driver, and a set of road maintenance workers when the need arises.
With the help and cooperation with other government agencies, kagaya ng mga PNP, LTO, yung lalo na yung local government officials na, DPWH along with other agencies prepared to provide motorist assistance during this Lakbay Alalay Holy Week season natin 2013.
DPWH activates Lakbay Alalay annually, but this year's program will be different as it will be more comprehensive in coverage and extended.
Of course, yung isa talaga yung discipline in driving. Yan ang konting lamig. Dahil ngayon, siyempre, maraming sasakyan, matraffic. Iwasan natin kung masyado mainit ang ulo. Of course, yung sinasabi ng don't drive if you drink, di ba? Or don't drink if you drive. Yung mga normal na mga paalala naman lang siguro para maiwasan yung mga untoward incidents.
Director Beleza identifies the Calamba exit of the SLEX, the Tagaytay-Santa Rosa Road, the Manila East Road leading to Rizal Province, and all roads to Quezon Province as major motorist points to watch.
Ang purpose ng Lakbay Alalay ay ito ay isang direktiba ng aming Secretary Singson na upang matulungan yung mga nagbabiyahe papunta doon sa mga lugar ng kanilang pupuntahan, at at the same time ay ito ay isa sa pagtulong din doon sa mga, lalo na sa mga nasisiraan na sasakyan, at higit sa lahat doon sa mga taong naliligaw.
Engineer Consina says DPWH Lakbay Alalay has started last March 24 and will end in April 1. For People's Television, George Bandola.